Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making loaded chicken sausage and egg baguette sandwiches, packed with grilled chicken sausage, fresh vegetables, creamy sauce and spicy onion sambol. These sandwiches are crispy, colourful and full of flavour, perfect for breakfast, lunch or a quick snack. Let's get started. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 chopped Bombay onions. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Add 2.5 teaspoons of brown sugar. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon mustard. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Apply the paste to the buns. Add lettuce. Add a slice of tomato. Add the onion sambol. Add sliced chicken sausages. Repeat the same for the other buns. Add sliced eggs. Add yellow and green bell pepper. Repeat for the other buns. And that's our loaded chicken sausage and egg baguette sandwiches, crispy, creamy and packed with flavour in every bite. These are super easy to make and perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a quick evening snack. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found your favourite version. If you try it at home, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.